just insert into the ground, the once collapsed pavement can quickly rise within minutes, ultimately restoring to a flat state. The mysterious liquid injected by workers underground is called polyurethane foam filler, and this special pavement repair technology is known as foam jacking. Initially, workers use a drill to create holes in the sunken ground. If the pavement is relatively light, they can directly connect a conduit and deliver the filler. This liquid rapidly expands upon contact with air, creating a multitude of bubbles that fill all crevices, reinforcing the soil underneath, while gradually lifting the pavement. Once the filler solidifies, it possesses extremely high resilience and compressive strength. If the ground is too heavy and the foam alone can't lift it, hydraulic jacks and flatbed cranes are used with support from the sides or around to keep the ground in the right position. Then the filler is injected underground, supporting the pavement to prevent further sinking. Moreover, the filler is also used on farm when establishing fences. After pouring an appropriate amount around wooden stakes, they can be firmly fixed in the soil, stronger than conventional concrete, very sturdy even when shaken vigorously. The stakes, protected by the filler, are less eroded by moist environments, thus extending the life of the fence. Isn't it quite magical?